camera.
What day is it?
It's the 17th of July.
17th of July, 2004. And one day before the girls' 6 months anniversary, birthday.
Birthday.
Yeah. Oh, and we see a little bare butt over there.
Their mommy and daddy are at a wedding. Aren't they? Mommy and daddy at a wedding.
Whose wedding are they at?
Tyler.
Oh.
And I can't think of the name of his bride.
Mrs. Tyler.
Yes.
Mary Tyler? More? Ah. Oh, you're talking to us?
Gonna eat your piggies? Gonna show us how you can eat your piggies? They're so tasty. Aren't they tasty? They're so good, Leon. I love my piggies. I love my piggies. I do. Oh, I look nice. Oh.
Over here. Look over here.
Grumpy's over behind the camera. He is. He is. Whoa. A jumping bean. A jumping bean. Jump. Stand up. Up you go. Oh, hi.
Hello. How are you? Yes. Look at that. Look at the big eyes on you.
Hi, you have very big bouncy legs. Yeah, you do. Huh. Would you like to get changed, Mackenzie? Can I lie you down for a minute while I change your sister? Hmm? See how happy you'll be about that. Hmm? Here's a butterfly flying over.
So she can go back in Mackenzie's jumper dumper.
That's true. That's true. Oh, there's the octopus. Here, eat your feet. Eat those feet. They're so delicious. They're so delicious. Come on, eat them up. Here they are. Eat those piggies. Eat those piggies up. Come on. Come on, eat those piggies up. Eat those piggies up. I know you like to eat them. You do. I know. I've seen them. I've seen you eat your piggies. I have. I've seen you eat the piggies. Let's see. Oh, yeah, they're good. Oh, they're so delicious. Yeah. Have another bite. Have another bite. Have another bite. Because they're so tasty. Come on, there's one. Oh, and here's another one. And here's two. Are they good? Are they absolutely delicious? Uh-huh. I'm going to change the sister now, okay? Okay? Here, he's off. I have to go change the kids, okay? Because we're going to go to your house. Want to go to your house? You ready? Should we change? Oh, up we go. Oh. Where's Grumpa? Is he behind that camera?
Hello.
Hey, Grump. What you doing? I have to get another diaper. Okay?
I'll put her in this thing, okay?
I know. This big diaper, this big diaper, too big for you. You gotta grow. You gotta grow. Oh, yeah. And you say, I love you. I love you. Yeah. Go.
Oh.
There we go. Eating your drench?
Ugh.
Oh. Say hi to Grumpy. Hi, Grumpy.
Hello.
Hi, Grumpy.
Oh, look at you looking up at me, huh? Hello. Hello, sweetie pie. Hello, are you laughing at all? Yeah. She said, I might. I'll think about it.
What's up? You want to go home? To your house? We've got some packing to do. Yes, you do not travel like. No, you don't. You don't travel like that.
Oh. All right, enough pictures for now.
Enough pictures for now. We have captured their almost 6 months.
Here's a beauty.
Well, the windows are really kind of.
Wind's starting to pick up some more. I think I'll go out and take down the umbrella.
Flew out of the basket.
But then, as I was on my way over there, so,
Whether they sleep at night.
my brother Gerard didn't make it up in time that day.
They're
Yeah.
not eating, but I mean they're eating during the night. Like they'll go down at 7:30. Yeah. They're up at 5. But she's been waking up
Yeah, what's the good?
3, 4, 5 times per pacifier.
Sometimes people need to do that.
I need to somehow break that. I don't know how, but
Look at it went.
Yeah, it really picked up.
She's a good girl. No, that's funny, Peter, I thought that was you outside and Sean.
Was he putting it down?
know, Sean's hair is so short for him.
Just be careful who you're jumping into bed with.
And somebody
Yeah, I
at the
noticed.
wake the other night said, oh yeah, we can see Sean and you.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, well, they told me afterwards, somebody said, what is that? Said, you know, this guy really looks like Sean. And then when they came on, the line, I thought, oh, shit, it's brother.
yeah.
Nice lot. Hello? Yes, hi. How you doing? Good, good. Okay. Oh, sure, sure. Yep. No problem. I'm actually in the middle of it. Yeah, give me a call back another evening.
Well, when they said the group you're a member of, I was like, oh,
they're
then you just want to
environmental.
talk to them.
Environmental.
Oh.
Yeah.
Was it Greenpeace?
Green Earth is a happier. So, you like them? This is what, huh?
Oh, the black sleeves ones I
Geez, that's not that bad.
Well, I was up on a 20-foot extension like that.
Yeah.
It was a little.
It was fine.
Well, was he just standing there? And he's right at your
Yeah, he
lot.
was, unless we're sitting on the Jeep.
That's nice. Real nice.
Oh, you're coming Thursday night? Oh, good.
Is this your land?
Yeah.
Where is it? Which one's yours? On that side of the road? Thursday night, right?
camp show.
She actually might be hungry.
Variety, like a variety show, Hollywood songs.
Is that still
Just looking across her.
what day
Yeah. Talk to the animals.
Against February 20th.
Zip it,
They're both quiet.
What's going on?
Hi, girls. You took our plug out. It'd really be a
Whoa,
problem with it.
whoa, getting excited.
Did you take the plug out of the right?
La 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 la.
The right.
Hello.
Hello, kitty kitty. You're not a kitty, you're a
I'll
baby.
take it out.
Hello. Hello. There's a good one. Yeah. Oh, flower.
Cute, cute baby.
Oh, now she's smiling.
They know they're going for a ride.
Hey.
They know they're going in the car.
I might, if they're smiling.
Some people have a car. They have a car.
Oh, sugar. Oh, buggert.
Oh, Barnard.
She's ready, she's ready.
I know, but I didn't have the...
Oh, look at the tongue.
Hello. Hello. Not gonna get. There's a smile, Sheila.
Damn, why isn't this... Oh.
It has to have the little ready light on, doesn't it?
No. Okay, now you gotta do it again, girl.
Poor babies.
Sheila, make sure you get one of them smiling.
Now, you know, you
Oh, look at her hat.
Mackenzie. Hey, Mackenzie. How are you? Hey, sweetie. You look just like your sister. Hey, cutie.
Over this way.
Hey, Mackenzie. Hi, sweetie.
Over here. Here's Nana's over here. You see
Where's
Nana?
Grumpy? Huh?
Hey. McAdoo.
Hi, sweetie. How are you?
What's that thing she's got in her face, huh?
What
It's
you
a camera.
doing? Hi, sweetheart.
Yeah.
Hi. Hello. Say hi, Nana. Hi,
Ooh.
waving.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Good, 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 good.
I'm going to take a picture of your sister now.
Oh. Kyle.
Hey, the jumping bean. Little jumping bean. Yoo-hoo.
Human being. Hey, Kyle. Kyle. She knows.
Kyle, don't you like the camera? Hello.
Over here.
Hi, cutie.
There you go. Over here. Come here. Look at me.
Hi.
Yeah,
What's
there's
Nana
Nana.
doing?
Yeah.
I'm turning around. You gonna jump for us? Hop along. Hoppa, hoppa, hoppa. Where's your rattle? It fell on the floor.
Your piggies.
Maybe Grumpy will get it. There you go. Yay! Jump up and down, Peter, and she'll copy you.
Who will? You do that, huh? Jump, jump, jump. Can you jump? Oh. You answer that?
Yeah. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Say hi to the camera. You like the camera?
Shorty's Bar and Grill, Chattanooga, Tennessee. How are ya? Where are ya? Videoing the babies. Yes. They're doing very well. They're very happy and in good spirits and whatnot. Ryan and
Yeah. And so I had to use the nanny stroller. Yeah. Well, I put the little, well, we bundled them all up and everything, but Kyle's sock fell off and her foot was sticking out of his case.
oh, there
I
she
was
sounds,
taking
huh?
it home, but yeah, we put gloves and hats and jackets and pants and blankets and.
Mum, 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 mum,
That
mum.
thing has a bunting kind of thing too.
Mum, 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 mum.
too. So. Yeah, the screw, I thought the screw just came out, but it actually broke. Yeah. Yeah. It just needs one screw, and, but,
Oh, you like the color blue, huh, Mackie?
other than that, like I said, being very good. They only took one long nap. I didn't put them down for a
Hey,
nap
Mac.
this afternoon, and they're doing fine.
Hey, Mac.
They slept until
McAdoo, how are ya?
30.
Yeah.
Yes, I
You
put
got
her
a
back
little
up.
scratch in
And,
your eye, huh?
Mackenzie
Yeah.
slept until Ryan got over here, and then she practically woke her up. Where's the flower? Where's the flower?
Yeah.
You like that? Whistling?
Yeah. You guys are pretty short. Oh, look at Venus up at 210.
What you doing? Don't you, Mackenzie?
Oh.
Hey, Kyle, come over this way. Come on, rock yourself over here. Come on this way. Turn around, come this way. Here she comes. She's rocked right all over to you. You getting tired? You should be. Yeah, Mackenzie's saying rock some more.
Ah, you tired, huh?
Well, she got all the way over there. She
Yeah.
can't go much further, she says. I'm bumping into Mackenzie. Now Mackenzie's going to start rocking. Hey, Mackenzie. Tell her to keep going, Mackenzie. Taking a break? Don't pinch your finger. I want to play with that toy. play with yours then. Don't pinch your fingers though between each other.
He's done very well the first couple of days. Laid up his long putt, actually holed quite a few in that first round, but he's got a hold some for shooting 62. Yesterday he was 3 or 4 short putts. Just has a tendency to lift his shoulders up a little bit. That's a little close. Hi, Judy. Tom, I can see a large tree in front of us.
Yeah, and he was quite close to it. It's a little bit of a dicey shot. 84 yards to
Bless you.
the ball only being just
Oh,
God
God
bless
bless
you.
to the hole. If he can hit a lot
God
of
bless you too. God bless everybody.
Hi, the camera's on. See that? Mackenzie loves the camera. Hi.
That's correct.
What do you think?
In the hole. Eagle.
Hello. Yeah.
It's your day, it's your day.
Who was that?
Lehman.
Yeah, it's almost a case that you really zero in, you really work hard, concentrate,
Oh.
stay with the shot, and it's a particularly hard shot.
You turn the sound down a little bit on the TV, just so it's not the predominant sound. In the...
Well, I think she talked about the good fortunes for Lehman in the last 4 events, but perhaps none as good as this. Take a look once
Okay,
again.
but
Good little confidence push along the front line, obviously. Just couldn't fit in, but then he came back and played well.
Now, Riley to save us from harm here. Always a puzzle, isn't it? Last year he played well, 7 top 10s, 22nd on the money list, not as good this year, but chance to
Hey, Kyle. Kyle. Yee
Wow, he really
Yee
for birdie.
Yahoo! Those eyes. Yeehaw! Somebody's getting a bath out there. Yes.
how are you, little pumpkins? What you doing, you Minnie? Oh, play with the leaves. Yay! Yay! Deep. Deep.
What do we got? What's today?
The 19th.
19th of December, 2004.
So,
And here we are with 2 new additions. 2 new additions to the fudge party.
Did you say hello to Grumpy?
Kyle and Mackenzie. We'll have to come around this way where
Very, very nice.
we're charging the batteries too, so this isn't going to last very long.
Yeah, you'll have to plug it in.
I have it plugged in over there, batteries anyway. And we're having our 50th annual fudge party,
50th.
something like that.
Get out.
And there's another lefty stirring it. Ooh.
We're making fudge
or sour cream and mix if you need more.
La 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 la.
Oh, you did? Good.
La 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 la. The
Vegetable
whole show.
That Kelly had,
Oh, Dad.
how do you make sour cream?
You guess.
Um,
I usually buy the already.